Hey Melanie, how you doing, girl? G'day! How you going? We're in lockdown number 5 where I am in Victoria in Australia, which is fun. So I thought I'd sit down and do my makeup because I'm really bored. I don't even know if it's showing up on camera, but I just want to make it known that I did do a fishtail braid. I'm going to be trying a few new products today, a few new techniques. I'm really excited. I wanted to try out that TikTok contour method that I'm seeing all over the place. You know, you do it like right down here. I'm keen. Eyebrows. Now my eyebrows, I've been through a journey with my eyebrows. They were fine and then I went somewhere and got them done and they got fucked up. So I'm in the process of getting them fixed elsewhere. They were just way over trimmed. There's a little gap in there. But for now, I'm gonna be trying out Got to Be glue. Everyone's using this at the moment. I also wanted to try it out because Jordan Lipscomb uses it and I copy everything she does. So, oh, what? 2 fucking seconds into the video, are you kidding me? Get back in there. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand. It's been sitting in my drawer. I've been putting off using it because I'm so terrified. I'm just gonna go in with this little spoolie on this Sephora brush. It's like a little angled brush on the end too. I'm gonna run that through the product, I guess. I don't know what I'm doing. It's so sticky, oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna go in with my finger. You know what finger looks like, I don't need to show you. And just press it down. That's what we're working with. It's not great because of that gap there, but I'll go on with the pomade, fill that in. Okay, this is what they're looking like. Again, you can still see the gaps from the over trimming fiasco, but I'm gonna fill them in anyway, so doesn't matter. Just going in with my trusty little Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Soft Brown. This is literally the same one that I used to use. I haven't even bought a new one. Ooh. And because of that, it's a little crusty. But I'm gonna go in with this. Oh, doesn't that just look fabulous? This is the Makeup and Murder Chemical X. Let's try it out, shall we? Probably a bit too much, but that's fine.
Hello, my name is Melanie Martinez.
I'm just gonna fill in those gaps in my brow. Eyebrows done. Now I'm gonna move on to my eyeshadow base. I'm just gonna go in with the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. And this is in the shade Fair Warm. I think it's their lighter shade. I love this concealer. Oh my god, my lips are dry. I always have dry lips, no matter how much lip balm I put on, they're always dry. So I've resorted to Lucas Bauble ointment, which is typical Aussie female. Next, I'm so excited. This is the Makeup and Murder Poison Neon Pigment in purple, like the little lilac purple. I bought both of her kits, so the neons and the pastel shades. I'm really excited. I just had a vision about this pastel purple and I have to use it. So this is just going to be what's on my lid. I'm going to keep it matte, no shimmers, just this. I'm not going to mix it with the sealant or anything. My only critique with these little pigment jars is that they're pretty messy when you open them. I am so excited. Oh my god. Just going in with another Sephora brush. It's like this really fluffy brush. It's the only brush that is clean, actually. You can probably see, if you look close enough, that those are all dirty. I'm just gonna pack it onto the lid first and then I'll start blending it. That is so cute. I love it. I'm just going in with this blending brush to blend the edges. I feel like once I started to blend, it sort of blended out into nothing. Okay. I think that's as good as we're gonna get. I just think my lights are washing it out a bit. Lashes! Ooh. For mascara, I'm literally just going in with my Better Than Sex. Tried and true. Nothing special. Nothing special.
I'm gonna throw rocks through your windows, you dumb whore.
So what have y'all been up to? I swear, I've been using this lash serum. I swear my lashes are getting longer. Like, genuinely don't think I'm going crazy. I'm using the UK lash. Now, I'm just going in with these tatty lashes in the style TL35. They've seen better days, but that's fine. I am obsessed with how fluffy these lashes are. On to the skin. Well, I'm so proud of this little fishtail braid, and now it's just falling out. My hair's too short, I think. I am getting hair extensions though. I almost said lash extensions. Hair extensions, I've booked in for a month. That's if I can afford it in a month's time, because I haven't been working because of lockdown. I might have to push it back, but I'm gonna get it because my hair, it's so dead. I was dyeing it blonde for so long and it's just dead, and it doesn't really grow past this length just because it's so dead and blah. And no, the only way I'm going to achieve mermaid hair is through extensions. Anyway, primer. I'm going in with the Milk Hydro Grip. Side of my head's getting crusty from the brow gel. For foundation, I'm just going in with the Milk, is this the Flex foundation? It's in the shade Light Sand. It's the foundation stick that I raved about in my last video. Again, as you can see, I'm in that in-between stage of my gross, crusty, patchy fake tan. This is actually, it's a perfect shade to match that in-between stage for my tan. I am so good at eyeballing foundation. Not to like be up my own ass, but I actually am. I'm really good at colour matching people's foundation.
Maybe it's because you went to beauty school and studied colour theory for 3 years. Or I don't know, maybe it's because you have a gift.
So, I have been watching Love Island and holy fuck. Love Island UK has never really been advertised in Australia before. I don't know what it is about this season, but it's been heavily advertised on 9 Now. And I have been binge watching it. I'm a few episodes behind now as I'm filming this, but girl, I am so fucking obsessed. I've watched up to 17 as I'm filming this, and I think there's like 20 episodes out now, so I'm a little behind, but I'll binge watch it tonight, okay? It's like so trash, but so good at the same time. I knew it would be perfect for me because I love trashy reality TV. Look at that. Neck's a bit patchy, but it matches. I wanted to do a video where I played the Love Island game, like the Love Island app, because look, it's lockdown, okay? I'm bored. DM me on Instagram and we can talk about Love Island because I need more people to talk about it with. My friends don't watch it, my sister and mum think it's stupid, and yeah, so DM me on Instagram and we can talk about it. I'm going in with the same concealer as before, just the e.l.f. camo concealer. e.l.f. is really like stepping up their game. I remember when e.l.f. first became a thing because you could get it at Kmart and I just remember it being like so trash. It was just like that shitty little Kmart brand that no one wanted to use, and now everyone's fucking using it, you know? They're good on you, e.l.f. If you wanna sponsor me, or you know, I was watching, just going back to Love Island for a second, I was watching Molly May. First of all, she's adorable. I don't understand why she gets so much hate. I mean, I didn't watch her season, so maybe it's because of that. I think you have to always take that with a grain of salt too, because you have to think about it's most likely partly scripted. There's probably producers and whatever, directors fucking telling him like, oh, you know, say this in your confession thing, or, you know, like say this behind their back, you know, just to like incite drama, because no one, 9 times out of 10, people aren't that dramatic. But I was watching Molly May and it was so sad. She was talking about, it's in like her latest video, or I don't know which video it was, but she was basically saying like she wants to distance herself from Love Island as much as possible. And that's so understandable because my god, she gets so much hate for no reason. And I feel like Lucinda, is that her name? In this season, it's just going to be exactly the same. She's going to get so much hate because of Brad. I really want to try out the TikTok contour hack. I also see this girl do it around her lips. What does that do? I don't know. I don't want to risk it over my foundation. I don't want to get too messy. Okay, I look like I'm trying to be sexy Squidward. Please, please let this blend out. Is it gonna make me look like I have jowls? Like, what is the point of this? It's gonna make me look like I have a beard. What is this? I mean, the girls on TikTok, they like cut out the rest of it, I guess. And then they just cut to the part where it looks good. I don't get what this is meant to do. I'm just gonna blend some foundation back over it because... Did I mention what I was using? I'm using the Milk Makeup little contour stick. I don't know if I mentioned that. Don't really know what that did. It sort of just made my face look a bit muddy. Did I put it in the wrong spots maybe? I'm just gonna powder everywhere with the Fit Me in the shade 230. Going in with the Cali contour palette from Smashbox. I'm just gonna be using this shade up here. That one, oh, I thought I had a name. Never mind. For blush, I'm just going into this one from Milani. It's the shade Berry Amore. For highlighter, I'm using the Becca Champagne Pop. You can never go wrong with this highlighter. It is an absolute classic. Blinding. I'm not too sure what to do for my lower lash line. I think I'm just going to put mascara on. Just so there's something there, but it's not like colour, you know what I mean? Oh, yep. Smudge that everywhere. I feel like I'm missing something. Oh my god, my lips. What the fuck is wrong with me? I did want to put on a little bit of the Too Faced lip injection because my lips are so dry. Oh, it smells like lip smackers. If you had lip smackers as a kid, this is what it smells like. Anyway, my lips are really dry, so I don't want to irritate them. So I'm just going to go straight in with the lipstick. I'm going in with two products today. The lipstick is from Colourpop. It's just one of their lippy sticks. It's in the shade Girl Gang, and that is a matte shade. And then over the top, I'm just going in with the NYX Butter Gloss in Ginger Snap. I love a dark lip. Oh my god. Especially because it's winter here in Australia too, so. And now I look like a Kim Possible character. Now I'm just going in with the lip gloss. I love the NYX Butter Glosses. I'm actually obsessed. Does anyone know where I can actually buy them in Australia though? Because fuck me. And to finish it all off, I'm just going in with the Anastasia Dewy Set setting spray. I know how words work. This smells so good. Even if you have oily skin, you need this. Well, that is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. I love how this look turned out. I think I'm actually gonna charge my camera battery for a bit and film that Love Island video. Follow me on all my social media. They'll be linked below. Thank you. I've forgotten how to talk because of lockdown. Hope you have a fabulous day. You're doing great. I'm so proud of you. I love you. Goodbye.